ViraBuild AI Review. Construction videos are quietly taking over YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now, and nobody's talking about why. Today I'm breaking down a tool called ViraBuild AI, and more importantly, whether regular people can actually use this trend to grow a channel from scratch. So, what exactly is ViraBuild AI? Simply put, it's a cloud-based platform that uses AI to generate construction time-lapse video sequences automatically. You pick a building type, like a villa, duplex, or modern home, and the system creates a complete step-by-step visual progression from empty land to finished structure. No filming, no editing software, no technical skills needed. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through that link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from my side. Some discount code, and they have a money-back guarantee as well. Now watch the complete demo video of ViraBuild AI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how ViraBuild AI does its magic. Now, let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, there is the ViraBuild AI Frontend. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is ViraBuild AI Unlimited. Generate unlimited construction time-lapse videos in multiple building styles with faster rendering, higher resolution, priority processing, and absolutely no daily limits or restrictions. Second OTO is the Automation Edition. One-click automation handles everything: prompts, scene building, rendering, stitching, and music, delivering ready-to-upload construction time-lapse videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels instantly. Third OTO is Done-For-You. Access 1,000+ Done-For-You construction time-lapse videos across multiple styles, ready to post instantly on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. No camera required. Fourth OTO is Advanced Mode. Transform construction time-lapse videos into fully hosted lead funnels with built-in CTAs, lead capture forms, analytics, and seamless email integrations. No coding required. Fifth OTO is ViraBuild AI Gold. It lets you create unlimited client accounts, sell ViraBuild AI as your own service, and keep 100% of the recurring profit. Lastly, we have the ViraBuild AI Bundle under which instead of purchasing each upgrade separately, you can unlock the complete ViraBuild AI system in one single bundle. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. You've seen the trend. You understand the opportunity. Now it's time to act on it. ViraBuild AI hands you a complete content creation system for the price of a lunch. Commercial license included. 30-day money-back guarantee included. Everything you need to start posting engaging construction videos is already waiting for you. Click the link below and lock in your access right now before the price jump.